Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone supports EEESIM and that your device is updated to the latest OS. This prevents activation errors. Once done, sign into your EE account or have your order reference, ID, and the ESIM QR/code ready. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so the phone can download the carrier profile. Now open Settings and go to Mobile or Cellular to add a new ESIM. Follow the on-screen prompt to scan the QR or enter the activation code. You scan the EE QR code or choose Manual Install and input the SMDP Plus address and activation code. This securely downloads the carrier profile. Once the profile appears, tap Install and wait for the confirmation message. Don't interrupt the process. After installation, label the line clearly, because labels help you pick the correct line for calls and data. Then go to Cellular Data and Phone Settings to set the default line for mobile data, calls, and SMS so your device uses the EEES. You finish by restarting the phone to ensure the new ESIM registers with EE's network. Check for signal bars and the EE name in the status bar. If you don't see service, make sure the QR or code was entered correctly and that the APN settings match EE's defaults. Incorrect APN can block data. If still blocked, toggle airplane mode, retry activation, and then contact EE support with your activation reference so they can provision the line on their end.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.